Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the session. Here there will be the name should be coming here when you log in the user dashboard. Okay. So now we have to do the some of the things. Okay. So we have if you click on the hotel, so we have to see the hotel rooms along with the images, and we have to appropriate price for the room as various type. Such as a luxury room, AC or non-AC, that kind of various types. The based on the type, the price should be differ. If it is a AC room, there is a different price. If it is a non-AC, different price. So if it is a luxury room, there's a different price. So VIP room, they are different price. There are various type of rooms. Okay, so everything we have to done by this project. Okay, after done the project, I'll provide the source code. Right, so what I'm going to do is, so first I'm going to implement those functionality. Let's do some changes. So hotel has various images, the hotel has rooms has various images. So here if we go to the rooms migration, so we have a images section. So this is not one image. If you put it like this, we can upload only one images. We don't need to upload one images. We need, instead of that, we need to upload the image collection. So how to done this stuff? So what I'm going to do is, I want to drop this table, this column. So how to drop the column? Click on the open up another terminal. So I want to run this command. Go to right click. So here you have type PHP artisan make migration drop. This one should be there. So from which table? Rooms table. So the rooms table, rooms table. Which column I am going to drop? Image table. You have to specify the table name correctly. Sorry, column name correctly. PHP artisan make migration drop. Which column I am going to drop? Image column I am going to drop. From which table? From rooms table. I'm going to drop the column which is a room table. Here drop image column from which table? Rooms table. You have to write the English properly. Drop images column, image, drop image from underscore room table. That's it. If you run this migration command, you can see here it has been dropped. So what I'm going to, after drop, what you're going to do is we have to do some other things. Image. Now the migration command runs successfully. The migration action has been created here, the separate file. So here this is up and down function. Here you can up function. You have to create this column. I'm going to drop page table drop column. What is the column I'm going to drop? Image. Okay, that's it. You have to remember to save the option. I'm going to run the command PHP artisan migrate. Here drop the thing successful. It has been dropped successful. It has been dropped. This is the efficient way to we have to do the program. Okay, this is efficient things to we have to drop the column. So what after that, what you are going to do is we have to add the another column for that. The rooms I want to add the another column, which is a so here which is I am going to add it here room type. So room type. So before that I'm going to migrate this command. So I want to create run the separate table I'm going to create, which is a PHP artisan make model room type. Okay, the room has different types. AC room, non-AC room, luxury room, AC VIP room. Okay, so here you have to type the run type room type. This is nothing but we have a model has been created. Model and migration file has been created. Press enter key. Now here the migration file has been created.
room type. Okay, perfect. Right. Now here what I'm going to see this one, I'm going to this auto agreement ID. So here we do one by one. So here what I'm going to do is I need a columns for the room type. Room type. Okay, so the room type. So we have to add these two things. I need a room type name of the room type, price. Okay, the price we have to make it as a decimal value like this way. Okay, perfect. Now let's file, save all. You have to type the command php artisan migrate. Do it as professional way. Done it successfully. Room type has been created. After that, my one is the room has various types. The room consists of many images, so that the people are coming to the across your website, they are first you have to they must see the images of the room, how the room look like, then only they will be by the quantity of your rooms, so that you have to upload the photo as a clear photo, and only one photo is not enough, you have to upload more than 5 photos, then only they will be able to choose the photos and all, then they will be order your hotel's room, so that we have to make as a collection of rooms. So I have to run this migration command, php artisan make model room image. This is nothing but a migration, so that has been created. So this is a different file, room images. So this room images, what I'm going to do is I want to implement this one. These two columns I want to implement it. One room consists of many images. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I have this is a foreign key. So the foreign key, so here we have to add it rooms. This is a foreign key, this is considered. Okay, so same thing, I have to add here this one, images. Okay, this is the same thing. Any changes? No, the same thing. Okay, so here this is a foreign key, which is the room table. There is a ID, the same ID which is available in the rooms images table. This is a private foreign key. Okay, the rooms consist of many images, so this is the rooms foreign key. This is the string, which is the image path of the images path. That's a separate images. That's it. That's the thing we have to write it over here. Now let's file, save all. This also I want to migrate it. So we have run the php artisan migrate command. Now we have all things we have created, room type and images. Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is we have to create things well. After that, we have to make the relationship. Right. So what is the relationship I am going to make it? So the rooms. Where's the rooms? This is a rooms. This is a room model. Here we only associate the relationship only with which is one is a hotel only. So here the image is no needed then at the moment. We have to remove from here model, because I have to already we have removed the images. Okay, so we have make it as a collection. Okay, so you can see over here what I did here is we have another relationship we make it. So one room has many room types, one hotel has many rooms, the room has many room types. Okay, the luxury room, and there are so on. One room, the room has many room types. Okay, so the rooms consist of many images. Right? So here rooms and rooms type, where one room consists of many room types, one room consists of many images. This is the room side. So if you are going to the images section here also we have to make the relationship. So here also we have to add the thing as room type. So okay, this one I am going to add the room type. So I want to add this column also. This one also. This is as many. This is a many side. Okay, the many side, because this is the one hotel consists of many images. So say as many. This is one is a rooms table. Okay, that's the thing we have to did it over here. So here we have to add the additional columns. So this one. Rooms images, rooms images. So what I did, I have created as rooms images. So here's a migration file, the room images. Here ID, I got rid of these two lines. So here we have to put it over here as room images. Room images I have to put it here as room ID and room ID. Image path. Okay, our room type. This was the same thing I just copied. Room type as well. This also room types. Room type also name and price. Name, price. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, after that I want to, this one I am going to room types. Room types type also many. Okay, one room has many room types. One room has many room types. Room type, the type of the room and price. These are the columns. That's how we have make the relation tick types. I hope you guys you understood things well. So we have a room. We have additionally add another two models, and we have separate it, and we have to make little bit extend the functionality of the hotel management system. Thank you for watching. I will be seeing my next lecturing. Thank you.